How to insert diagonal line in cell in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs app. So let me first insert the table. So show you how you can in order to insert the diagonal line in cell. Okay, so now we have table and we need to insert the diagonal line in first cell. Okay, so I just select the first cell here. Okay, you can increase the, you can manage the size of this cell if you want. Okay, just manage the size of this cell. Now just type your title. I just type name, enter, and month. Okay, this is my second title. Now double click within the cell. Again, go to the insert, go to the drawing here, click on new, and here just click on this line and try to draw the diagonal line like this. Okay, you can also change the color of this line. I keep the blank. I just also change you can also change the width of this line. Also you can change the style. Okay, I just keep it as a normal. Just increase it, and just now after you're done, just click save and close. Now this line has been insert. Just click on it and make sure it is in the front of text. Okay, and now okay, just try to fit in cell. Okay, like this. Just hit the corner button and just try to fit in the cell. Okay, you need to just make sure your cell is perfect size and it is fit in the cell. Okay, once you're done, it won't be changed. Okay, you can't be changed. If you want to change, you make sure you need to start from first. So just make sure it is fit perfectly in cell. Make sure your size cell is perfect. Now click again and make it behind the text. Now click on the text. Now you are able to edit your text. Okay, now you can see this diagonal line has been inserted. Okay, and it is looks perfect. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.